Right now, 100 billion neurons are firing inside your head. A city of electrical storms that never stops. But watch what happens when the lights go out. As you drift off, something incredible begins. Deep inside your brain, the pineal gland releases melatonin, your sleep signal. Tonight, she has work to do, because your brain begins its most important cleaning cycle. During deep sleep, something extraordinary happens. Your brain cells physically shrink by 60%, creating vast channels that were not there before. Cerebrospinal fluid, your brain's personal cleaning solution, surges through these channels, riding blood vessels pumped by rhythmic pulses, 10 times stronger than daytime flow. This is the Glymphatic system, discovered in 2012, your brain's dedicated cleaning network flushing amyloid beta every single night. But your brain is not just cleaning tonight. Deep inside the hippocampus, your memory center, every experience from today is sorted, reviewed, and prepared. Sharp wave ripples replay your memories during sleep. Sleep spindles strengthen each one, then your brain transfers them from temporary storage into permanent memory in the cortex. During REM sleep, when you dream, your brain recombines memories, finding new connections and processing emotions. This is where creativity is born. But skip sleep and the system fails. Toxic proteins build up. Memories go unfiled. Even one bad night increases proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. Give your brain a full night's sleep, and it transforms. Toxins flushed, memories filed, new connections formed. You wake up with a better brain. Sleep is not a luxury. It is not laziness. 7 to 9 hours every single night. Because while you rest, your brain has work to do.